Monday morning, we're back at it after a busy Saturday. We have a Toyota Prius here. This car came in here for front noise. We lifted up the car and found out that the left front and right front control arms are completely broken on this car. Here are the old arms. We have brand new ones right now. We're gonna put them in, test drive the car, and release to the customer.
Like this, but it needs to come this way more, I think. Here we go again. Now it's official.
Nobody's gonna see it though. Oh yeah. Got it?
This. We picked up this car on Friday from Bakersfield. Customer just got it from the dealer. It has about 40 miles on it. Barely went to the customer's house and we had it towed here right away. Remember, it's Monday. We already got the Brabus kit in stock for it. This is the second one in the US. We did the first one already. You guys saw it on our previous episode. So this is the second one in the US. First and second by RDB. Right now we're going to be gluing on the carbon fiber Brabus hood. We got this vehicle only 2 days ago on Saturday, so this is crazy. We're doing the front lip. We're doing all of the roof spoilers on this one, so it's gonna get carbon fiber LEDs on the front. It's gonna get a roof spoiler on the back. We're doing 4G Auto 24-inch wheels on this. It's gonna be a white and black look on this one. It's going to look super aggressive. Again, second one in the USA.
What in the world is that? Oh! He almost fell. He almost fell. Thanks, using RDB 5-star tires. I'm up here. Yes, sir. I'm on a test drive and you're calling me. I'm in the middle of Sunset and there's people. I'm gonna get disconnected because my phone doesn't. Yeah, it's ready. So we have a Toyota Camry. Repairs are done. We are test driving this car to make sure everything's okay. We did suspension work on this car today. Left front, right front axles. We also did a brake job on the car along with the tune-up. It needed it. It was very bad. So that's all good to go. This is a good client of ours, so we just got to keep this car going as long as we possibly can. So that's what we're doing. That's what we do with every client. It doesn't matter what you drive. I mean, come to RDBLA and we'll take care of it for you. So we're on our way back after the test drive with the Camry. As you guys know, we do quality work. Alignment on this car is perfect. Take my hands off and actually comb my hair while the car is going straight. Quality work at RDBLA. We have Akshay here. He's from Fresno. He came by to say what's up to us. What's up, man?
What's up, man? How's it going, man?
Real fans always come and support us. We even have our RDB plates on the car.
It's an amazing shop, and they do like legendary work here. And to see these cars in person is like amazing. Like,
We got one of two currently Chevy 10 vans at the shop. This one, actually both of them are going to be kind of matching. This is for another celebrity for one of his concert tours that he's doing. So we're going to be painting this, doing a lot of mechanical work. This one is manual transmission. We're going to convert it to automatic. We're going to do some cool things inside. So this is one of two right now that we're going to start doing. These vans are pretty expensive, believe it or not, $10,000 to $15,000 in this type of condition. So pretty expensive for what they are. These are 70s models vans. I'm kind of excited to get to work on this. We're working on this right here. If you pan that way, there's a Bugatti. So we do everything. How's that? How's that?
Yeah.
Did you get that estimate done on that G10 van?
Not yet. I'll do it. We still.
I told you yesterday to get that done.
I haven't had 5 minutes to breathe.
Is that my fault or is that your fault?
Bro,
I told you last time, if you do this again, I'm gonna shoot you.
It's an estimate, bro. It's an estimate.
It's a client.
Yeah, just 10 minutes. I've been running around. I haven't had.
This is like your third strike.
I've had lunch like standing up. I haven't even sat down.
This is your third strike. I told you what I'm gonna do to you, right? Oh,
There's nothing like a bulletproof Escalade. Nothing's getting through that.
Moses is lucky this car was here right now. Protecting him pretty good. But as you see here, this is a brand new Escalade, full bulletproof. I mean, it's got like 3-inch glass. Other than that, it's like a stock Escalade inside. It's for a very good client of ours. He might post it up, but we're not gonna say who it is. But yeah, you gotta ride around LA with some safety. This is how you do it in an Escalade, full bulletproof. The doors are very heavy. Oh yeah, and it says bulletproof on the side in case the guys that are going after him don't waste their time. They know. What was this? You good?
Yeah.
So right now we are driving. Shut up back there. We are driving the Chevy 10 van. This one is manual, 4 gears. Pretty tricky to drive, but it drives pretty good. We're gonna be doing up this whole thing. So right now we're test driving it, seeing what it needs mechanically. We're gonna do the exterior, we're gonna do the interior. We're getting good feedback on this thing. It's really cool. It's like the A-Team van, but yeah, let's see how she drives.
Hey! Hey! That was bad. You should have told me you're doing that.
The clutch got stuck.
I survived.
Where you at?
We have this monster that stopped by today for a quick tire repair. Patched the tire, balanced it, good to go.
This Rolls-Royce you guys have seen featured on our channel before. It's one of our favorites. It's this really cool light gray metallic paint. We also did a mixture of satin black, gloss black, and a brush gold bronze finish. So this car is slammed on 24-inch wheels. This is a little different than the other ones because it's not really just blacked out. It's not just white on white. It's not even orange like the one we just did. This is a really cool gray. And the bronze wheels, which is very rare on these cars. Usually I wouldn't be a fan of a colored wheel, but this bronze finish on this car with the whole theme goes amazingly well. It is lowered significantly. It drives great still, but this is one of our favorite Rolls-Royces. It's a Series 2, so it's got the newer headlights. It looks amazing. All the blackout on it is wrapped. What's there more to say? This car is just a perfect Wraith. We're about 95% done with this Bugatti. There's a few little things left on it. However, we just finished up putting all the powder-coated aluminum grills back on the car. All of the grills were silver before. We just converted them to gloss black. So now it's got that gloss white, gloss black, red theme going on. Side intake vents have a grill covering it. Now they are gloss black. The top intake vents also had silver aluminum grills. Now they are gloss black as well. The back bumper has some mesh as well we did. And then the front bumper has those 3 grills with the grill surround. So we finished up all of that. There's even one more mesh in here that we also powder coated black. Can't see it right now because the car is in regular mode. This car in handling mode, the wing goes up and the car lowers. So right now it's all closed up.